How to create an app on ChatGPT Codex on Windows. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your preferred browser or your ChatGPT app. As long as you get into your ChatGPT, log into your account, and just open Codex over here. I suppose this and some of the features does need a pro subscription, so you're gonna have to put that in mind, of course. And once you press on Codex, it will lead you to something like a download option for your codex. You could download your codex and finish the installation. If you'd like, you could install the CLI once you're done with the codex, or you could try the IDE extension as VS Code, Cursor, JetBrains, or Warp. And you could connect to GitHub if you have an account for that. But once you're done with installation, you could go ahead and open your codex. So at this point, you can start building your app by prompting codex with what you want. You could add as much details as you like, but the more details, the longer it will take, of course. But let's just go ahead with this example over here, which is to build a classic snake game in this repo. We could add more details if we like. We could get rid of details if we like. There's going to be scope and constraints, implementation plan, but it all depends on how you want the game or app to be built and what you want. So before you could send, you are going to have to set up your sandbox first. So make sure you do that. You'll be able to get a process on how you do so, and it shouldn't take that long. But once your sandbox is done, you can choose your model and the reasoning. The lower the reasoning, the faster, I suppose. And if your reasoning is higher, then it will mostly take longer. But once those are all done, you go ahead and press on enter. In our case, it will probably take some time, but once it is done, you could continue refining the app by asking it to add features. You could fix bugs by, again, asking the codex to do it for you. Or you could also do it manually if you'd like, but you could improve its design, and Codex will act like a coding agent. It can handle multi-file changes and automate development tasks, so you mainly guide it with instructions while reviewing the results before running or even deploying your app. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can create a Windows 11 or an app on ChatGPT Codex on Windows 11. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.